last forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
Hello, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Tarot. So, my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look, like, and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you're notified when the next reading is uploaded. I'm going to do this reading, which is that will my ex return? Is your ex coming back? This is for those who are not in contact with their partner right now. Could be boyfriend or a girlfriend, masculine or feminine energies really don't matter. Could be somebody you were dating, somebody you were in relationship with. So either you or the other person, take it the way it resonates. Cross watches, right? And reversals nahi hai. No genders please, only energies. So will your ex return? Let's see. That is the reading we're going to do, and what are the lessons you've learned. So I'm going to pull out the card first from the life lessons as to what are they trying to communicate to you. I think the one who is not with you right now is basically saying that I remember the good times we spent together. Humor is what we have. Here they look at the lighter side of life. You used to make them laugh and happy. Used to bring smile to their faces, right? So you really meant a lot to that person. Because they say with the one you can share your happiness, your smiles with, is the one who's very important to you, right? So yeah, the person you're actually thinking is thinking about you. Let's see what else. Too many. One love for the mother's pride, one love for the times we cried, one love. That's what comes around. So we have health also. Maybe the relationship of the health of the relationship. I don't know why did I say that. Maybe pay attention to your health, guys. And we have forgiveness at the bottom of the deck. So I'm going to take this as well. That they are really missing you. And they're seeking forgiveness, I feel, for some, okay? So this is a timeless reading. So whenever this resonates, whenever you're attracted to the reading, there's always something in this reading for you. So with humor here, they really miss out on the good times they've spent with you. They really miss out on the amazing vibrational energy that you both share, the love that you both share for each other, the experiences that you've had together. Maybe you've had amazing times together. You've partied together, you've danced to the same songs, you've probably made out many a times, and they really miss those times. And especially in the COVID times that we all are in, they really feel that they hope, they pray that if at all this all can come back, because if there's anything else they want right now is something that can make their life better, lighter, happier. And with you they saw that happiness. With health here, maybe the health of the relationship was not great. So yes, they are looking at it in the hindsight, and they're saying, oh my god, had it been that way, it would have been more beautiful. Had they paid more attention to where they had to, it would have been more beautiful. Equal give and take was possibly a huge issue, wherein the other person was giving more and the other person was just receiving. Now they feel that with the Sagittarius eclipse moon coming in, there's a possibility that they might come back and they might realize, because they've started realizing, the DM per se, that's what I'm tapping into. The masculine energy is basically getting woke, is realizing that how important this relationship or you are to them, because you are the happy space for them, you're the happy place for them, you're really the happy place. And they really seek forgiveness, okay? They really seek forgiveness for whatever has happened in the past that did not work out, that was not healthy, that blocked the flow of love. They genuinely want to make things right with you because they really, really want this to, work. And as I said, that you don't know what you're really offering to the person in question, but share, because Mercury in Gemini is about communicating your thoughts, and that is where I think this energy has started playing. And with the Wheel of Fortune, that turns around, is that Jupiter is here to stay for some time, and in some signs it's going to really, really help progress, right? So let's see what are their feelings, exactly how are they feeling right now. So for people who are watching and resonating, will the ex return, the one they're thinking about, return? Could be an ex, or could be somebody you're not in touch with or not in contact with or something, but essentially, yeah, an ex. So is the person returning? Is the person coming back? Is the person making up? Is the person coming around? We have the Six of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So yeah, they are. That's quite a strong energy. Let's see. Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy. And I told you, Jupiter with the Wheel of Fortune. So of course things are changing. The divine masculine is woke, something they have learnt. And I can't make this thing up here. I can't make this shit up. With the Temperance here, it's about balance. It's about aligning what was not right. More like a Six of Pentacle kind of vibe, right? Could be a Taurus, could be a Sagittarius as well, that I see a Libra too. So more like a Sagittarian energy. Somebody who really wants balance back in the relationship and says, you know what, is ready to do everything now because you are the happy place for that person. You really make that person happy, and they know that they stand a chance with you. They can't afford to lose you. That's what they're telling me. They're watching you online. COVID times, yes, you can't blame it, no. Online, everything is online. Tum bhi online ho, maybe online ho. So they're watching you online, and truth shall be out. They're actually kind of stalking you, I feel. They're keeping an eye. With the Seven of Pentacles, Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they really, really are saying that I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work on this relationship, on this partnership, and I will ensure that, whatever we have not done right, we shall do it right, because that is what they're wanting. That is what they are really, really desiring. And see, they both are looking at each other, so of course they really are serious about this. One more card. Will the ex return? Will the person, my reader watching, is returning? Yes. With the Four of Swords, they are very anxious. They're saying their prayers out loud, and they are hoping that you give them that chance, because this is about, anxiety, but in the prayer form where the truth is going to be out, and they have realized it, as I said, with the Temperance there, they know the mistakes they've made. That is why, we have the forgiveness here. So whatever was blocking the flow of love is going to start again. They're kind of worried. Could be a water energy. They're worried that you have a lot of options. They're really worried. That is why maybe, it's holding them back. That they think that you have a lot of options, and, whether you will give them a chance or not. So basically what I really see is that it's up to you. Whether you want to make this work or not, that is what is being reflected here with the Health, Page of Swords as well. That is up to you, because the person knows that you, maybe, the one who's watching and resonating, you're very attractive, you're very charming, could be a masculine, could be a feminine energy, male, female, doesn't matter. You're very attractive, you're very abundant, you've got everything, you get things done in a jiffy, and people listen to you, people respect you, and you're abundant. So, according to them, they just fear the fact. That is why forgiveness here is held. Why? Because they feel that you've got the options, and with the Emperor energy, they feel that there's a strong possibility that they'll be successful, because with the 6 of Wands, that's what they're heading towards, right? So, air energy, this is. So, we've got fairly all signs here. But largely, I see Earth and, air with Leo and Sag. With the Justice, oh my God, it is so unreal that whatever is going to happen will be very fair, guys. Trust me. Mark my words. Strong fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, you're dealing with. Could be a Gemini, could be a Libra, Aquarius. They're saying that whatever has to be served would be done in all fairness, because the prayers have been heard. Aapki ya unki, either which way, truth is going to come out. They're watching, they really want to co-create. They've realized certain things that they were missing out on earlier. Now they value you way too much, and for that they're rushing towards you. And they know they'll be successful because you kind of love them. You still have a soft corner for them. That's what they're telling me that you do have. And if you don't, please don't fix yourself in the story. But they're telling me that you do have like a soft corner for them, and they know that for a fact. That, you make them so happy, and they cannot afford to kind of lose you, because they know that you have a lot of options around you. Hands down, whoever I'm resonating, connecting with, you have a lot of options, and you're like, that Nelly, I love you, I do, that kind of vibe, that you have that thing, and you have that oomph, that X factor, that suave vibe to you, could be male or female. Yeah, you really attract that energy. For the men, if I'm resonating, the women are extremely attracted to you. Could be same sex, doesn't matter. Women who are watching and resonating, could be, a man really interested in you, your ex maybe, that you're not in contact with or something like that. But they really want to tell you this. I do. I mean, they're really in love with you, man. And that's what I see. Yeah. So your ex, it seems to me, shall return. Really wants to return. It's really up to you, because they feel that you're way too abundant, and you got amazing options, and you got everything up your sleeve, right? You're like attractive, you're charming, you're beautiful, you're pretty. You've got the financial health too, and you make them so happy. Like everything about you makes them happy. Everything about you brings a smile to their face. So they really want this to work. And yeah, with Justice here, whatever was not fair in the relationship shall be made right. That is for sure. And this is what I have for you. So if the reading resonates, give me a like and a subscribe, and do press the bell icon. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And yes, I'm trying to do readings in English to cater to a wider audience, but I'm going to gradually slip up. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.